So what is the robots text file? Well, the robots text file is stored in what's called the root directory of your web server, and it basically lists items that should be ignored by the search engine crawlers. If you've never heard of this file, you don't need to seek it out and modify it. By and large, especially if you're using something like WordPress, it'll just be set up and modified for you, but it's just useful to know what this file does. Now, Google does have some advice about the robots text file. So again, you'll find this on the support.google.com website, and it just kind of explains what it is, how you should use it, and what have you. There's some extra information, technical information there if you want it. You can also test your robots text file if you want to. So there's various tools you can use to make sure everything's okay. Now, most people, if they've got some technical knowledge, they would use the robots text file to try and hide a page or a particular set of pages from the Google search results. The thing is, if other web pages are pointing to that page, then they will point to the page, and that page can be indexed via that link from somewhere else. So it's not a foolproof way of doing things. If you do want to hide a page from Google, what you should do is use what's called the no index tag in the relevant page. That was covered elsewhere. So remember that the web page is divided into the head area and the body area. So the no index tag goes into the head area and basically tells Google or asks Google not to index that page. So that's probably a better way of doing it these days.